Hey everyone, how's it going? This is the Bitget versus Bybit video. So if you're looking at the difference in features, you'll see that for Bybit they have regulations which are by Dubai virtual assets, and Bitget does not have any regulations. Whereas spot currencies by Bitget are 800 plus and by Bybit is only 300 plus. And then maker or taker fees, as you can see, for Bitget the lowest is 0.08 by 0.08, and for Bybit it is 0% by 0.02, and highest is the same for both of them. Security is high, beginner friendly. Both of them do need some time for a learning curve, but it's not that hard. KYC is required for both of them. Bitget offers full fiat banking with along with GBP URL and EUR and BRL, and Bybit offers fiat on and off ramp through third party, and deposit or withdraw method is same for both of them. Now another major difference is that for Bybit the available assets are 1400 plus, and for Bitget it's only 800 plus. Fees, as you can see, that spot trading is same, but for future trading uh, Bybit has slightly less fees than Bitget, and these are the basic differences along with the staking coins, which is 1000 plus for Bybit and 100 plus for Bitget. So I would say that go for the one, like if you're really focused on spot currencies, then obviously Bitget is the way to go. But if you're looking for regulations and lowest maker taker fees, then Bybit is the way to go. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.